Alright, so the only thing I can really do today is put on this downpipe. I've got 5 brand new exhaust nuts for it. I'm pretty sure I have an O2 sensor as well. I can go ahead and put on. These are all 14 mils. Alright, screw this thing. I'm gonna go grab my electric ratchet. Alright, got my ratchet, an electric one. It's so much easier. I'll just go ahead and check them all with the regular ratchet. The electric ratchet is pretty strong. And also I noticed, yeah, this hose right here has a crack in it. So, grabbed a replacement for it. That's gonna crack the brake and cause a lot of boost issues later on. Cob tubing is so thick, you can't reuse these old clamps. Alright, zip ties it is. What the hell good is having a cutter if it doesn't cut? There. New hose for the wastegate. The old one was cracked. Turbo's hung. All the manifold bolts are tight. Turbo bolts are tight. Downpipe bolts tight. You're gonna have to find the oxygen sensor. Drain tubes on, bolted up. Alright, so I went ahead and hung up the alternator. There's 3 bolts right here. And then I went and found the O2 sensor and this little shield that goes here. So I'll just go ahead and install the shielding for the O2 sensor. This one turned out to be a smaller bolt, a shorter one, I mean. That's what happens when you take a car apart and don't put it back together for years. Alternator shield on. Pretty sure a lot of people leave this shield off, but might as well have it. There. Also this one. And put all these tools up real quick. Alright, I've got all the shields in place. And just in case you were wondering, yes, this is actually a built motor with a stock turbo setup.